Hi everybody, it's Dave Dunbar from General Pipe Cleaners. The Kinetic Water Ram, really good tool, and if you treat it right, it will last the rest of your career. So how do you treat it right? First of all, after you use the device, sometimes a little bit of water can actually get sucked up into the pressure chamber just because of the dynamics of the air and the water. So every time you use it, pump it up a few times, point it down, and discharge it a few times. This will get any excess water out of the device. One other nice little tip is there's a hole right there, right on the back side of the handle. That's actually to insert oil in so that when the handle's up like this, you can put oil on the leather cup that drives the air down into the pressure chamber. So it's a way to maintain the machine. Oil it up every few times you use it, and then move that leather cup around. And again, every time after you use it, discharge it a couple times with a pointing down towards the floor. Okay? That'll make it last a lot longer. You won't get any water in there. You won't rust out. It'll last the rest of your career. General Pipe Cleaners, the toughest tools down the line.